I'm Janet, Try It Like It Create It, and I'm going to show you how I use up some of my leftover cardstock. So I just let it pile up off to the side, and then I take some pieces, and I take my word dies, and I go ahead and I make some die cut words to use in the future. Now I'm going to use packing tape here. That's what the noises that you hear in the background is. I take a piece of packing tape and I put it down onto my cardstock, and this will give me a glossy look. And so I'm just trying to get a piece down that doesn't have too much dirt, flecks, or hair. And I cut off the excess here. And then that is ready to die cut. So I put, and this die that I have here is, let's see where to put it. It is, this is the pack. It's Echo Park Designer Dies. And these are the 4 words. They come together like this. I don't break them apart because I want to cut them all. So this is Wonder Word die set, and if it's available on Amazon, I will put a link to it down below. But I will just line it up here on my cardstock, run it through my little mini die cutter. Now this one, I don't know that they even make it anymore. It's called a mini maker, but I really like it for desktop cutting. So if you have a little one, this works really well. Now this die cut machine squeaks a lot when I use it. So I just do a front and a back like that, and I take the die off, and there you can see the words are all cut through, and I leave it like this, and I put it into a picture frame. Let me see if I can grab it here without making too much of an avalanche. I'll move my die cutting machine over a little bit, and so here you can see are my samples in different colors. And so this one was a pale green, and sometimes I put the same words together, sometimes I put the same colors together. Since this is a whole set, I'm gonna probably put it in this little green pocket here, and I leave it like that because some of the words have little dots for the eyes, and I don't want to lose them, so they're there, and that way I can use them when I'm ready to use that word.